Welcome to Mercedes-Benz King. This is the new Mercedes AMG E63S 4MATIC Plus. This is the key with the AMG emblem, also on the back, Affalterbach emblem. Nice key. So let's unlock the car. Nice. So if you want to see the newest technology of Mercedes-Benz cars in terms of infotainment system, engine and more, I will show you later on in the video. Beautiful car, especially the front. It really looks aggressive and sporty at the same time. These are the headlights. Multi-beam headlights, which are very intelligent. AMG grille, and behind the Mercedes star is the Distronic Plus. It also has the 360 degrees camera. Beautiful front. Very aggressive air intakes and bumpers. The rear tires are 295/30 ZR20. It looks amazing, the black rims with the red brake. So the size of the front tires are 265/35 ZR20. Large AMG carbon brakes with the AMG emblem on the side. You can also see the definition. So this AMG costs 187,000 euros. It consumes around 9.1 liter per 100 kilometers on average. Speaking about technology, it also deactivates 4 cylinders when you're driving normal, so you have better fuel consumption, and that's great. Aggressive exhaust tips. Beautiful looking rear. This is the Stardust effect taillights. Look at the exhaust. It also changes when you put it in race mode or Sport Plus mode. V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus emblem with the fender, side fender. It has soft closing doors and keyless entry. So let's have a look inside the car. Beautiful interior. You can also see it has a lot of carbon trim. And look at that beautiful steering wheel. We will get to that later. So let's get behind the driver's seat. Amazing design. So here are the seat adjustments. Heated seats, ventilated seats, Burmester stereo. Look at this interior, guys. It feels like you're sitting in an airplane. So you can adjust the seats in 7 different ways. Also, for example, the headrest. The Affalterbach headrest. Nice. And your back. So let's have a look at the materials used. Beautiful AMG seats with little tips on them. That's because of the ventilated seats. You can also see it here on the back. It also has beautiful Alcantara materials. Now the center console with the beautiful IWC Schaffhausen clock. Here below the AMG emblems we have cup holders. You can also remove them. Some storage space with 2 USB slots and 1 SD card slot. So let's press the button. Nice AMG. Here you have some storage space at the side. Oh, nice that they made the bottom flat. AMG logo on the steering wheel with nice feeling materials. It's also partly Alcantara. Stitching, beautiful. It has 2 touchpads on the steering wheel. Pedal shifters for up and down. So here are the options of the car. The steering assist, lane keeping assist, parking sensors, head-up display, the sunroof, and of course you can make the car rise. So here is the head-up display. You can also display the navigation on it. So let's try the sunroof. Beautiful stitching. It goes all the way around the interior, and you can really see the definitions. It's not flat. They really took time to make this beautiful. AMG pedals. You can see that the button here is illuminating. So let's push the button again, and I will show you the infotainment system and the screen in front of me. So here you can see that the right side changes. You can select warm-up, G-force, the engine information, trip meter, navigation, and of course the gears. You can also change the gauges. You can change them to progressive, sport, and classic. So this is one of the amazing parts of the car, the ambient lighting in 64 different colors. You can see it also has a delay. So when I scroll a little bit faster, you can see it change. This red color looks pretty nice actually. They really need to improve this on the C-classes or the GOEs. So with the right touchpad on the steering wheel, you can alter the infotainment system. Okay, let's get back. Alright, so on the center console you have some options. The ESP, you can turn it off. The suspension settings, let me turn it on. So if I again press the suspension button, you can see on what mode you're currently on. It's now on the comfort mode. With the dynamic select you can change it to Sport, Sport Plus, Race mode, and the individual mode. Here you can alter the settings, for example the transmission, the exhaust system. That's my favorite part of the car. So let's change the exhaust into Sport Plus. so the exhaust valves open. Furthermore, ESP, transmission, leave it in automatic. Then you have the suspension, I will leave it in sport. And the engine, you can also leave it in sport. Vehicle information. Here you can see the force from where you are getting pushed. This is also a nice thing. You can see how much horses the car is using at the moment and how much torque. Some more settings. You also of course have the scroller and the touchpad. So for the navigation you can turn it to 2D and 3D. Depends on what you like. So let's zoom out and have a look at how far the map reaches. So you can see it takes all the world. So guys, let me know in the comment section where you're from. So to make things simple, here are some fast buttons. For example, the temperature menu. If you press it, it will bring you to temperature. You have your navigation, media, telephone, vehicle settings. This is the E-Class air vent. It's made out of great materials. If you have seen my E-Class Coupe video, it has different vents, the turbine style vents. But these are also very beautiful. Again, the beautiful seats with Alcantara AMG emblem. Also a Volterbach emblem on the headrest. So here is the rear. It also has beautiful carbon trim. You can take this one down. It protects you from the sun. So look at the color of this seatbelt. Also the locker, it looks beast, just like the car itself. You really notice the beautiful interior here from the rear. Nice seats. The view are also very nice here. You can see I have enough space. It still has a large transmission tunnel. So if you sit in the middle, you have to have your legs like this. Here's some cup holders. Also storage space. Let's open the trunk, guys. So you can see there's a lot of space. You can close and lock the trunk by pressing one of these buttons. Some emergency stuff. Also space to put your bags. You can fold the rear seats for more space by pulling this handle. Underneath here there is no room for a spare tire. That's why you have run flats. And here we can put some stuff in. Little hanger. Okay, so let's close the boot. Look at this rear spoiler. Nice design. Beautiful, aggressive car. here is always some information about the tire pressure. And you can see it has a lot of carbon, also here at the side skirts. It goes all the way to this aggressive front. It also has very sportive lines on the hood. And as I told you, the carbon is also here at the center of the front. So a beast of an engine. So it has 613 horsepower. It's made by Michael. It has the new 9-speed transmission of AMG Speedshift with double clutch, 4-liter V8 with the Affalterbach emblem, 850 Newton meters of torque, and it goes from 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds. That's amazing. And the top speed is about 300 kilometers per hour. Well, thanks for watching Mercedes-Benz King. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned for the next videos. I will see you soon, guys. Bye bye.